What if I told you that creating 5 entire weeks of content doesn't have to take you 5 weeks? It can actually take you less than 10 hours a month. I know, sounds impossible. But once you learn this system, you'll never go back to creating content on the fly again. I'm Kathy Schneider, and today I am kicking off a brand new series by showing you exactly how to stop the cycle of content overwhelm and start building a system that gives you consistency. It's going to save you time, and it's actually going to grow your business while you're living life. Because let's be honest, posting randomly when you just feel inspired, or worse, when you have just a couple of extra minutes, it only leads to inconsistency. And inconsistency keeps your audience small, your list stagnant, and your stress level high. I'm going to show you a better way today. So, what's the secret? It's all about batching. So instead of creating content one piece at a time, you create in cycles. My 5 times batch and build method is about batching your weeks, not your days. Okay. And it allows you to easily create 5 weeks worth of content in less than 10 hours over 4 weeks. So that's only 2.5 hours or less a week. So here's what it looks like. Week one, you're going to pick your series theme, one main topic that you'll break into 5 episodes, and then research and prep your documents and files. Week two, I want you to batch your YouTube videos, script, record all 5, like I'm doing right now, in 2.5 hours, and it's your schedule. So you decide. But I like to break this down over 3 days. So I don't fall behind, don't neglect other areas of my business. All right. Week three, you're going to schedule your 5 videos and then repurpose each of your 5 videos into a blog post. So you can outline, design, schedule these posts. And then week four, you're going to create and schedule your next 5 newsletters. Create your Instagram post for each episode and schedule over the 5 weeks based on when the videos and blogs are scheduled to publish for this series of 5 episodes. The key is for everything to be scheduled in advance so that your content is working for you every single day, even when you're not working, whether that's by choice or life happens. That's it. With batching your content, your calendar's always it's always working ahead. All right. Your message is consistent. Your audience starts to trust you because they see you showing up regularly. And once you have, we'll say, 30 or more episodes published, then I want you to consider adding Pinterest to your schedule. Okay. Pinterest is not only a search engine like YouTube, but it's also a long shelf life platform. So the pins will be working for you and your business for months and years, not days or hours like most of the social media platforms. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure any of this out on your own, okay? I created the exact templates that I use to batch my content, and you can grab them for free. It's called the 5 times Batch and Build Template Bundle. And these templates will help you in setting up your first cycle, okay? I'm going to drop the link below so you can grab your copy. Batching is only the beginning, okay? In the next video, I am going to share the secret to staying consistent without burning out, because the system only works if you actually stick with it. So I want you to make sure you click over to that next video, and I'll see you there. Now, if it's already live, you're going to see it popping up on your screen. I want you to tap it and let's keep going, okay? But if it's not there yet, I don't want you to miss it. So subscribe, turn on notifications, whatever, or you can request that free copy of the 5 times Batch and Build Template Bundle, because that is going to get you not only a copy of my templates, but it's going to add you to my Monday newsletter. So you'll be one of the first to know when the next video and blog post go live, okay? So stick with it. Make sure you click over to that next one, and I'll see you there.